When I came in for the interview, I was thinking about doing full-time, and then I talked to Teresa and she said I could do part-time and I could do 8 to 2:30, and I thought, wow, that really works out great. I would actually recommend Tusco to other people looking for part-time or people just aren't happy in the place that they're working, because like I said, everybody's been super kind and nice here, and it's kind of a laid-back workplace, even though, I mean, we have stuff that has to get out, but it's just, I don't know, I'm not stressed when I come to work, and so I would definitely recommend it to anybody that's looking for a job.
In my role here at Tusco Display, I am the lady you see at the front desk as soon as you walk in the door. I help with accounts payable, I help with work orders that go out on the floor to get the job started. I like the environment here at Tusco. Everybody's more family oriented. It's not more of you are in here and you do your work and you go home. It's more of everybody helps everybody. It's a really good atmosphere here.